Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we will see for ArcGIS Pro what is the RAM requirement and what are the RAM types, and if you have a PC or laptop, what type of RAM has included in it. All for ArcGIS Pro as of today, 2023 July. So these are the ArcGIS Pro 3.1 system requirements, and we can go directly to the memory or RAM. So the minimum is 8 GB, recommended 32 GB, and optimal 64 GB. And then once you will find the required RAM, if you have to upgrade in your laptop or PC, so we can simply buy it from Amazon. So RAM, as you know, that means random access memory. There are RAM types DDR3, DDR4, and DDR5. These are simply enhancements every couple of years, and DDR means double data rate. And the first DDR was introduced in the year 1998, and the recent DDR5 has been introduced in 2020. So now, right now we will talk about the DDR4 RAM introduced in 2014. So as I mentioned before, laptop uses RAM type SODIMM and the desktop CPUs uses DIMM. So once you will buy a RAM, so just note this down. SODIMM, if it is mentioned SODIMM, it means it is a laptop RAM. If it is mentioned only DIMM, then you can understand it is for only desktop CPU. So now first of all, we should know your PCs are DDR type. What type of DDR you have? Your PC has. So as you know, we can go to Google. We can simply download CPUZ.exe file. So once we will install it, it will show like this one. And you can go to the first page. It will tell you the processor name and the main board. And we have to come here, memory. So now it is showing as the type is DDR4 and it is 24 GB of RAM. Now if you want to see how many RAM slots in your CPU or in your laptop has, so simply we can use this same tool, CPU.exe. We need to install this file. Let me show you. We just need to go to Google. We need to write CPUZ.exe. You can say download. So you can download this file and then simply install, and then it will you show like look like this one. So if you want to see how many RAM slots in your PC or laptop has, just click on this one, SPD. So as you are showing, you can see that this laptop, I am using this laptop HP ZBook 15.6 inch G5, and this laptop has total 24 GB of RAM and total RAM slots are 4. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. So slot 1 has 8 GB and slot 2 is empty, slot 3 is empty, and the slot 4 has 16 GB. So 16 plus 8 total, this laptop has 24 GB. Or simply you can go to task manager, right click on the taskbar and click on task manager, and then go to performance and then click on memory. By default CPU is selected, you need to click on memory, and here you can see slots used 2 of 4. So this is the second way to know how many RAM slots in your laptop or PC has. So now the main question is RAM capacity maximum upgradable. So each PC or each laptop has own capacity. Yani we cannot upgrade all laptops to 64 GB of RAM or 32 GB of RAM. There is a limitation. You need to go to CMD and write this command I will provide it in the description. You just need to copy it and you need to open CMD. You need to search CMD. Let me zoom in so that you can see clearly. So I have copied that command and paste here, Control V. So then I will press enter. So again it is showing here the memory devices 4 means this laptop has 4 slots, and this is the maximum capacity. This maximum capacity is showing here in KB, kilobytes. So we need to convert it into the GB. So converting KB into GB, so we have to divide it with this number. So we need to open a calculator, and you can either copy, select this one, Control C, and select calculator, Control V, and then you need to copy this one and press here divide and then Control V, and then is equal to this one. So 64 is the result. So this laptop I have has the capacity of maximum upgradable 64 GB. So we know that this laptop we can maximum upgrade to 64 GB. So this is the easiest way to calculate maximum upgradable capacity. So for ArcGIS Pro right now, as of today, 2023, July 22, and the minimum RAM capacity should be 8 GB and the recommended 32 GB, and the 64 GB or more is the optimal. So my laptop has 24, so I am looking to upgrade the RAM to at least 32 or 64 GB, and for that, for everyone I has recommendation. I have watched a lot of videos. So my recommendation, if you are going to have two RAMs, for example in your PC, your PC has only two slots, then uh, for having 32 GB, so you need to have two RAMs of 16 GB, so that the total will be 32 GB. So it is recommended that you should buy two RAMs of 8 GB instead of buying a single RAM of 16 GB. There is a there are reasons behind this. You can watch the videos on it. And in the same way, four RAMs, for example, this laptop has four slots. So if I want four RAMs of 8 GB, so total will be the same 32. So I will prefer buying four separate RAMs, each 8 GB, 8 GB, 8 GB, 8 GB, instead of buying a single RAM of 32 GB. That is the recommendation. And third one, all RAMs should be of same capacity. So let me go again on this website, Amazon. So each RAM has own capacity, 3200 megahertz, sometime 2600 megahertz. So if you are going to purchase two RAMs, three RAMs, or four RAMs, so make sure they should be of the same capacity. And the last one, but not the least, all RAMs should be of the same manufacturer from the same company. For example, uh, this is the company Crucial. So if you are going to purchase two RAMs, three RAMs, or four RAMs, so all should be of same capacity and same manufacturer. And you have to notice that it should written here SODIMM if you are going to buy it for your laptop, watch more relevant videos on my YouTube channel for searching the GIS company jobs in Middle East and a lot of different stuff. I hope you like the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.